Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate the Bowtie2, a sequence alignment tool. For that, we need the Fastq sequence, read 1, forward and reverse read. And we also need the genome FASTA file. Here I am using the East genome and its Fastq file. First check, I'll provide this linked in the description. So here we need to download the Bowtie. From here, just download the zip. Now it is downloading the Bowtie master, Bowtie2 master. And done. So first extract the file. So let's check it. So we need to install it. For that we need a script which is the building from the source. Let's see it. I'll provide this link in the description, and you can see just running. Make this one, copy it, and you have to run it in this directory. Just paste it and press enter. So now it is installing. So let's start. So it is done. Now you can see, you can just check it is installed or not. Simply write Bowtie2 then -h. So it is showing the manual or usage. So means it is installed successfully. So let's run. First we have to build the index file. So for that, so we have the first file and the first file is needed. First make a directory name genome directory. This folder is for the index, and the script is, we can just first check the help. Okay, so now the script is Bowtie build, then option, then reference, and followed by the index. And copy it and paste it. So first Bowtie build and reference. So our reference sequence, home, Alex, then come download, and I have to put the reference sequence name. The reference sequence name is the East genome, and then I have to put the index folder. It is also home, download, and genome directory. Then I guess I have to put, yes, I have to put any prefix, like I am going to index, so it is the prefix, and we can run it. Just I am adding // and here we can go it for and enter. So the index, now it is building the index. Done. Let's check it. So here is the index file. So index file were made. Then we have to run our Fastq file. For that, the script for alignment is Bowtie. Okay, let's do it. Bowtie2, then hyphen small x. It is for index file. Here I am going to download and then genome directory, and I guess we have to put, okay, index, we have to put the prefix, not the dot. Then we have to put 1 and 2 for forward and reverse read. Hyphen 1, and it is home, Alex, download, and read 1 forward, and after that hyphen 2, home, Alex, and this is read reverse. Then we have to put the output file name, so it should be capital S. Yes, this is capital S, and then again I am using that path, and download, and you can just name aligned.sam. so it is the simplest script. Then I'm pressing enter, so the alignment is going on. Alignment is done. You can see the alignment overall 98.29% overall alignment. Let's check the file, and here is the file. align Sam, let's check it. It is 1.4 GB of file. So thank you for watching my video, and please hit the like button if you get help with this video, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you really like my video. Thank you.